Okay, hello everyone. I've had a time trying to connect to the live video. Okay, happy Mother's Day to everyone. Today's Sunday, at least I think it is. Okay, and we're gonna start like I always do and pull my hair back. Now today I'm using my VFX foundation. And I don't know if I've got the right, yeah I do. If I have the right brush or not, but I do. And I colored my hair a minute ago, so it looks a little bit better than normal. Okay, and I just put a little bit on there first to see if I had the right brush. Hello, Kristen and Tara. Go all around your eye. Make sure you get all the little cracks. And this is Farmasi products that I'm using. I got some new ones in the other day. And I thought I had 2 or 3 of the same ones, but some were eyeshadows and some were blushes, so I was good. Now then, you can see how well that covers. See, over here I'm red, and then over here it's just got all that covered in. Okay, now I need a little bit more for this side. My cat's over here in a box. She loves to come up to the studio with me and try to help. So she's in the box right now, though. She wants to play in the box. Yeah, and I was trying to get on the computer, on the laptop here, and it wouldn't let me on. It wouldn't let me go to a live video. It said I needed to download something, but so I decided to just do it on my phone. I'm gonna get the excess and just go down my neck here just a little. Make sure I got it all rubbed in good. Now then, whew. Okay, now then, I'm going to use my contour stick. Between my cheek and my jawbone here. My temples, my forehead. Now then, I'm going to use my brush that I have here that's old, and it I've had it a long time and the stick broke off, so I'm just using it to blend all this in. You always go up. And you blend all this in. Just like you would if you were drawing a picture. And then you go back toward your hairline. Now then. Now, I'm going to use my blush. My new blush. And it is a sort of a berry color. Thought it matched my shirt really well. Okay. Now then, I am going to, if I can find my little brush, there we are. I'm going to use the same eyeshadow on my eyes here as I've used on my cheeks. And I'm just going to go round and round right here. Back and forth, back and forth. I'm just going to put a little right here to make it a little bit darker. Right here in the corner. And I'm going to do this on both sides. Back and forth. Back and forth. Okay, and then make it a little darker here at the edge. My technical difficulties has got me all in a tiz. Okay. Get my towel here to get all the excess out of my brush. Now I'm going to take a lighter color, mauve, pink, and I'm going to go above where I just put the eyeshadow on, right there in the crease, and I'm going to go under my eyebrows right there. And then right here on my lid. Hello. Well, I'm glad all you are jumping on. I hadn't been on in a while. I had another knee surgery the other day, and but I'm doing better, so I decided to get on for Mother's Day here. Now then, all right. Now there is my eyeshadow. It's number 17 and 18, and they come in these little round compacts. Now I'm going to put on my eyeliner. And this is the liquid. And then I just bring it on out to make my wing. And I always like a big wing going on. For some of you that are just jumping on that have never watched me before, I always like a big wing. And you'll see here in just a minute when I do my eyebrows what I mean and why they go out so far. Okay, now I'm using my black pencil here, and I'm going to trace around my eyebrows. Just tracing around and then pulling down. I'm going to do that on both sides. You trace around and then you pull down. Now when you do this, it makes your eyes look bigger. Okay, it makes them stand out. Okay, now I'm going to take my brush. I'm going to have to quit putting my brush down. I have a designated place for it. And I'm going to take black. My black eyebrow powder. And I'm just going to fill in where I traced around. Just going to fill it in and then come down. Now then, we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Fill it in. Just like you were coloring a picture. And then come down. And if you have any little points, you can fix those. Just smooth them out. Now then, there we go. I have my eyebrows. And I used black for that one. Alright, now, okay, I've got my eyeliner, I've got my eyeshadow, I've got my eyebrows. Now I'm using I ordered this just the other day. I usually use the Zen mascara. Well, today I'm using the 3D. Okay. And I decided that I was going to try it just to see if it was any better than the Zen. And because some of my people in my group, y'all have been asking me about it. So I thought, well, I'll just order that and see how it does. And maybe within the next day or so, I can get my technical difficulties fixed. Because when I do my videos on my phone, I feel like that I don't have a big of area to work with. And so I don't think it comes out as well. Alright, now I'm going to do the bottom. And I hope you can see this. Okay, what do you think? This one's done, this one's not. Okay, now I'm going to do the other side. I'm going to do it the same way. Hello, Miss Middlebrooks. Thanks for jumping on, everybody. I have, and I am so tickled with this, you guys, I have over 100 people in my group now. So I'm tickled. So I hope you're sharing. And even if you don't buy anything from me or from the website, from my website, the more you share and the more other people share, the more it helps. Hello, Cassie. And I got some new lipstick. I'm going to try it here in a minute too. But I put this shirt on. It's a new shirt. And I thought, well, these cheek colors and eyeshadow colors along with the lipstick I'm going to wear is going to be killer with it. Okay. Okay, what do we think? Do we need more? Maybe? Uh-oh. I just got it all over me. Thank goodness for my towel. This is the 3D mascara. Okay, there we go. Alright, now I bought a highlighting palette. I already had my 3-in-1 palette. Now I have my highlighting palette. Okay. And let's see. I think I'm going to use this this pink right here. It's kind of a pink color. I'm going to come down my, oh my goodness. Whoa. Come down my nose. My goodness, I'm going to be glowing in the dark. Whew. That was a little much. It just takes a little bit, apparently. I'm going to put a little bit here above my blush. And a little bit here on the other side. Just to make it to where the sun shines, okay? Whew. I always get between my eyes here because I don't want it looking like I have a unibrow or anything. Oh, and I forgot to use my contour. I'll have to use that one next time. I was all excited to get this going. I'm going to have to blot some of this off. Maybe that looks a little better. Okay. I'm going to go over it with my little fluffy brush here. Sort of smooth everything out. Now then. Now that looks better. Okay. Now let's see. Which liner am I going to use? Okay, I think I'm going to use this one. I have to put my glasses on to see what's going on, people. It's a 204. Sort of a mauve color. And I'm just going to trace around my lips here. And I'm sort of stretching them so I can fill in any cracks that I have. And on the bottom, I do the same thing. It just gives you that pouty look, sort of, and makes your lips look bigger. Okay, here we go. This is my new lipstick I got in. Let me see what it is. It is Sheer Cherry 04. Okay, gotta peel this little sticker up. Okay, here we go. See, it's about the same color as my shirt. Okay, what do we think? What do we think about our lipstick? Okay, this was sort of a rush job today. I was all flustered about my computer here. Okay, what do we think? Somebody give me some feedback. I don't know if anybody else is on or not. Okay. Okay, it sort of matches my shirt. The new blush and the eyeshadow and the lipstick. What do you think? Alright, I'm going to take some pictures and upload here in just a few minutes. So tell me what you think. And share. The more shares I get, the better it is. Alright, see you next time. Bye.